I'm having fun right here with this UD Prince collection. So in case you're wondering why I have this powder on my face already, that's because I'm not so sure if I'm going to get any fallout from the eyeshadow. So if I do, then this will catch it, because this is my first time using the eyeshadows with you. Look at how beautiful this packaging is. Alright, isn't this absolutely adorable? And I believe that these are actually on pre-order right now. They are limited edition. So here is the flyer that I got in the package. Thank you so much, Urban Decay Cosmetics, for sending me this beautiful package. I really appreciate it. This whole set is going to drop May 27th. So I'm reading from the card, okay? Look at these colors. Look at these colors. Just look at these colors. Oh my god. Look at them. In case you didn't know, purple is like my favorite color ever. So here's the first eyeshadow palette. Here is the second. These colors, look at the eye. That is his eye right there. So here we go. So look at that. Look at how pretty this is. Those colors are absolutely beautiful. I have an all-nighter waterproof setting powder, and that's this right here. And I also have a liquid highlighter, and that's this right here. And then we have two kajals in this set as well. The one is black, okay, and it's called So Dark. And then we have matte white, which is called When Doves Cry. Okay. We also have in this set a multitasker brush. Look at that. And I have gone ahead and I have washed this brush because I always like to wash my brushes before I use them. So I think I'm gonna go with more of the purple, because I love purple. I'm gonna create a look that's gonna feature more of the purple. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyeshadow primer potion, and this is in the original, and it's also from Urban Decay. This is not part of the set. I had this separately. So I'm gonna get out of my comfort zone, okay? And I'm going to do something that I have never done before. And I think it's because I'm so excited that I'm gonna try this. I will try and use this Kajal color, which is this matte black, and I'm gonna use it as a base, okay, on my eyelid. Because remember I said I was gonna go ahead and create a look that's more, girl, when you see me, I can already see this in my head, even though I've never tried it. So you gotta give me grace, okay? Let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Ooh, this is creamy. Oh, wow. I'm gonna take my brush, just use it to smudge it out. I have a feeling my daughter will be so proud. She will be so proud. She won't believe I'm doing this. I have all girls, and they keep me on my toes. We are so blessed. Did I tell you I have twins? Okay, so let me smudge this out. That Kajal is so creamy and it's so easy to use. I like it. And the beauty about this whole collection is you can create so many different looks with all the items. No pressure, you know, you can always feel free to buy each one of these items because they're all sold separately. But like I said at the beginning, you can get the entire set, the whole box, on pre-order starting from Monday the 25th. And I'm hoping that you guys will let me know if you make any of the purchases. If you plan to, let me know. Are you a fan of Prince? Let me know. It's a really nice one. I think I'm going to add a little bit more black and smudge it out. This is what we're looking like right now. This is what we're looking like right now. So who would have known, right? Like, honestly speaking, if you wanted, this is a look on its own. Like, you know, you have your foundation on, you took the kajal, you smoked it out, you add some mascara, some lip gloss, and you're good to go. That is the look right there. But you know that's not where we're stopping. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and move into the color Funk and Roll, which is this one right here. That's this color. Take your time when you're applying your eyeshadow. I don't really know why people rush this process. I mean, you can enjoy it, and that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm gonna go back here and smudge it out. The beauty with eyeshadows is in the blend, okay? This is one of the reasons why I am yet to meet any one of the Urban Decay palettes that I do not love. Like, seriously. Even before I saw this, when I heard it was coming out, I was like, I know I'm already gonna love it. The quality is absolutely amazing. I mean, just look at this color. And it's just gliding on like magic. Maybe I should bring you guys in a little bit closer since we're doing the eyes. How about that? Oh, there we go. I think that's as much as I can bring my camera. I'm almost tempted to go into the indigo highlights, but I'm gonna go in with this color called Delirious. That's this one. Right here. This purple one. And I'm gonna start on the outer corner with this. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Girl, look at this color. Ah. Chef's kiss. Look at that. Do y'all see what I'm seeing? Do y'all see this? Okay, let me behave. Let's bring this right here. Same color. This eyelid color. What would happen if I were to use the all-nighter spray? You know, I probably would even get more pigmentation. But I want you to see, if you did not have the all-nighter spray, that you could still use this palette. Okay, let's go back and cover this whole eyelid. And going back into Funk and Roll, I'm going to blend this out so that there is no line of demarcation. Let's blend them and mix them together. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go into the second palette. Let me use Endorphin. It's called Endorphin and Machine. That's what this color is called right here. That's this one right here. Okay. This is the all-nighter setting spray. I'm going to shake it. That was just one spray. And I'm just going to add this to the inner corner area right here. Oh, this is good. This is so good. I'm going to use a white kajal, and I'm going to use this on my waterline. And I'll take the black, okay? And I'm going to put this underneath it. Go ahead and very gently. So right now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the Urban Decay Per version Bigger, Blacker, Fatter Mascara. Just so you don't forget. See, this is the side with the mascara. Can you see that? And this is the one without. Can you see the difference? What I'm going to do next is I'm going to grab the Liquid Face Illuminizer, which is this. And I am going to apply a little bit on my face. Sometimes what you would notice is that some people will go ahead and apply it into the middle of the brush, which you can do because there's like a circular part. I don't know if you can see it in the middle of the brush. So what I would recommend, to be quite honest, when it comes to the Illuminizer is I would probably next time use it under my foundation, under any of the dry products that I have on, because I noticed that it was kind of like hard to blend it in. So I probably would recommend that if you're going to use it for the first time, use it under your foundation. And probably use it like, on your collarbone and your chest or wherever else it is that you want to highlight. But for now, I figured, you know what, this might be better to use it underneath because it was a little difficult for me to actually apply on the top. As you can see, I had to work it in a lot more than I typically would. I'm going to use the all-nighter waterproof setting powder. And remember that I showed you guys that this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to dab a little bit. Yeah. And I'm just going to use it on my T-zone because that's where I typically would get just a little bit oily. I don't need to use this all over my face. So I think this is a look right here. This is a look. If you want, you can just wear your lip gloss, clear lip gloss, and call it a day. But because I'm a little bit extra and I do have extra stuff that I could use, I'm going to wipe this off. I use the Tempered Comfort Matte lipstick from Urban Decay as well. So this is what it's looking like, okay? Yeah. I use a clear gloss on top of it because I really didn't want the lips to steal away from the looks of the eyes. And this is the look. This is the look. This is a complete look. I absolutely love this look. I cannot think of anything else I would want to add or take away from it. I'm really pleased. I know that I'm going to get a whole lot of use out of all of these products. Again, this is what the entire collection looks. Oops, that's upside down. Forgive me. The entire collection looks like this. And again, it drops May 27th. These two palettes, honestly, if I were to pick and choose, I can because I love them both. I love them both. And I don't know, it's a hard choice. It all depends on what colors you like. I absolutely found use out of both of them, and I know I can create a whole lot of looks from both of them. So if you plan on getting any, or if you have already by the time you see this video, let me know in the comments. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I totally am obsessed with this eye color. I went out of my comfort zone, and guess what? I'm not adding any eyelashes to this look. I mean, I'm not adding any falsies to this look. I'm stopping right here. We're calling it a day, and yeah, isn't it interesting? I didn't even use my setting spray because I don't think I need it. I really don't. And if you don't need it, you don't have to, okay? No pressure. If you don't need to, you don't have to. If you want to, you can. So I will leave all of the products in the description, and I really hope you really found value in this video. Do not forget to check the Urban Decay Cosmetics website. I will also list all the products like I had just mentioned to you in the description. Once again, thank you Urban Decay for sending me these products. This is not a sponsored post, okay? This is not a sponsored post. Fingers crossed one day, your girl would love to work with Urban Decay. So in case you're watching Urban Decay, I'm here. But thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys for watching the video. I don't want to yab too much, but I really, really from the bottom of my heart appreciate you for spending your time with me today watching the video. And I will see you again very soon by God's grace. You take care and make sure you do things that make you happy. Until next time. Bye. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications as well.